Hi friends, I am Tilak. You're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we are going to see how to insert a Pi symbol on your Google Sheets mobile. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to insert a Pi symbol on your Google Sheet mobile, I just going to show in this video. So I just going to insert the Pi symbol on this cell. So click on this here. So actually you don't have any insert symbol option here, so instead of that you can just use your keyboard. So best alternative, I just using Google Keyboard or Gboard. You can just download it from the Play Store. Now you just click on this number section and just click on the extra symbol section, again this button. Then you will see option here to insert the Pi. If you just need another different type of a long plus sheet, you can just insert like a Pi like this also. So this is how you just insert the Pi symbol on your Google Sheet mobile. So I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with a super valuable Google Sheet content. And this is Tilak signing off from Tech May Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.